how to set mobile hotspot MAC address type to randomize or phone MAC on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Mobile Hotspot and Retring. After click on Mobile Hotspot and Retring, click on Mobile Hotspot. After click on Mobile Hotspot, click on Band. After click on Band, you will say click on Advanced. After click on Advanced, scroll down and you will see MAC address type is here. If you want to set MAC address type to phone MAC, click on phone MAC. You will see MAC addresses type is set on phone MAC. If you want to set mobile MAC address type to randomized MAC, click on randomized MAC. You will see MAC address is type is set on randomized MAC. After selecting, click on save. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can set mobile hotspot MAC address type to randomize over phone MAC on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.